Hello everyone, I am Dr. Radhika Kerkar. I am a psychiatrist. In this video, I am going to talk about what are copycat suicides and what is further effect with respect to suicide. So recently we heard about, we all know about the death of our celebrity, dear celebrity, due to suicide and the effect it had on people, and so many people are disturbed due to it. And one of my patients also called me up saying that she was quite disturbed after seeing all this and seeing this news about that person, and it has triggered thoughts about suicide which were already there in her mind, but then it has triggered those thoughts. She has started thinking, what if I face something like this, and what if my end is something like this, thoughts like these that she shared with me. So basically what we are talking about is phenomenon of copycat suicide, which is also known as Werther effect in psychiatry. Now the origin of this, I will just give you a short story about it, that in 1974 there was a novel which came up by the name of The Sorrows of Young Werther. So in that novel, the protagonist shot himself. In the end of the novel, the protagonist shoots himself because he is rejected by some girl, and that was the end which was written in the novel. And following when that novel was published, there were cases of more number of suicides, and that too in similar fashion, in the way that the protagonist had killed himself. So this happened in 1974, but its study was done later on, almost 200 years later. There was a person known as David Phillips, and he studied this phenomenon, and he termed it as the Werther effect, in which he had studied that the number of suicides which followed the publication of this book were strikingly more than the usual rate of suicides, and he termed it, the word copycat suicide took birth at that time, and it was known as the Werther effect. So this phenomenon is quite common, and it is even more common when the focus is on a celebrity, when such an incident has happened with a celebrity or a person who is well known. So we have to be careful, we have to be extra careful during such periods, and we have to take special care, extra care about people who are suffering from some kind of mental stress, because such people are most prone to get affected, and that such phenomenon can happen with them. These are the most prone people. So family members and relatives of persons who are already in mental stress should be very careful during this time, and watch out for people who are stressed about the news, stressed about such an event having happened, that has happened. So why does this happen? Why does copycat suicide take place? So we'll just talk about few things which lead to such events. Is first that people identify with the person who has died. They feel that their pain, their stress is similar, was maybe similar to the person who has died, and they somehow identify with that person, and it sometimes becomes easier for them to actually do what they have been thinking about. If they are having suicidal thoughts, it becomes easier to actually plan it, actually make it happen. So sometimes they feel that it is a convenient way out. The way the person died, they feel that it is a way out for them, and maybe should do that. So that is the psychology behind why these things happen. Secondly, as I said, imitation plays a role. People try to imitate sometimes. They feel they have always looked up to such people, up to celebrities, so they sometimes try to imitate them, and especially it is common in young population and very old population. The middle-aged people are somewhat immune to this phenomenon, but it is most common in the young population, in which when you look up to celebrities, you look up to people and you try to imitate them. So that is one of the psychologies, and also for the way the reporting has been done also plays a part. If it has been publicized a lot, if a lot of publicity has been given to such an event, if it is repeatedly, if it is shown repeatedly on on the digital platform or anywhere. Nowadays we have a lot of digital platforms, so if such things are happening at a high rate, then the possibility of copycat suicides also increase. So I think everybody is mourning the death of the celebrity. I will not take his name because already a lot has been said about him. So everybody is mourning, but then we should be extra careful about such untoward things that can happen. So we have to take care of everyone who is very much affected, who is very much disturbed because of this news. So take care, guys, and if anything, you can call helplines, you can take help from mental health professionals.